Right then.
Welcome to Homeschooling with Harriet. Phonics, we are looking at these two sounds today. Ooh.
And this way we remember this one is ooh, chew the stew.
And this one is ooh.
And we've got huge brute. Ooh, huge brute, that one.
Where's...
And a nice brute just there. So those are the sounds that we're looking at today. So we've got ooh and two different ways of writing ooh. So first of all, could you give me on your whiteboard or your piece of paper or whatever it is that you're working on, could you have a go at writing that one for me? Ooh, ooh. So you've got two letters there, F and W. Fantastic. Let's hold those up in 3, 2, 1. Off we go. Excellent stuff. Great stuff. So we've got ooh and ooh, chew the stew. Brilliant. Okay. This time, this is what's called a split digraph. So a split digraph is where it's been broken up and there should be a consonant in here. So we've got a little dash. On your board or your pen or paper, whatever it is you're working on, I want you to practice those letters for me. So we've got and and you might like to draw a little dash in between and a little sort of circle up the top there just to show that we've got a split digraph there. So you've got and and have a little practice at writing those. Let's have a look at those then. 3, 2, 1. Brilliant stuff. Well done. Okay, so those are the sounds that we're looking at today. Now the first one we're going to start with is chew the stew. And the first word that we're going to be looking at is few, as in I only had a few of those. I want you to have a go at practicing how to spell few. If you're not quite sure, you could use an idea just here. Remember, we want to have the ooh sound.
Yeah.
So we've got ooh, few. So how are we going to make that sound?
Few.
If you're not quite sure, you could use my idea to help you. We're going to show what we've got in 5 seconds then. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Off we go. Lovely. Okay, so hold up what you've got. Few, few. Brilliant stuff. There we go. So we should hopefully have that one just there. Few. Few. There we go. Lovely job. Okay, the next word we're going to have a practice at writing. So if you want to just clear your board, is this word chew.
Chew.
Chew, as in chew the stew. Chew, that one. If you're not quite sure, you could use my example to help you. So if you're not quite sure, you could use that as a guide if you're not sure how to spell that one. So we're looking for chew. Chew, I chew the stew. Chew. Okay. Working really nicely, well done. Chew. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chew. So we should hopefully have chew. Chew the stew. Chew. Brilliant stuff. If you're giving yourself some points, you've got 2 points so far because you've done 2 words for me. You've done few. So you can pop yourself some points there. Well done. Right, so the next word that we're going to be looking at is new. I bought a new pair of shoes. New. So that's the word we're looking for. If you're not quite sure, you could use my example to help you. New. 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 How are we going to spell that? New.
New.
Okay, let's have a look then. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What are we saying? New. Brilliant stuff. So, new. Lovely. Well done, guys. That's fantastic. Right, we're going to have a little go at the yes-no game. So this is where we have to identify, so find out if that word has got the ooh sound in it. So it's this particular spelling, that we're looking for. Okay, so our first word, you're going to write on your whiteboard or your paper, yes or a no. Does it have the oo spelling in it? That sound, oo, oo. Your first word is stew. Stew. I ate some stew. Some stew. So if you think, yes, that's got that right spelling on it, that's got that sound, then you're going to write yes. If you think, no, I don't think so, then you write no. Okay. So we've got ooh, stew. You tell me, has that got an ooh sound in it? Hold your board up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What are we saying? What are you saying, Alex?
Yeah.
Yes. Excellent stuff. Yeah, we've got a yes there because we've got the ooh sound, haven't we? Ooh, stew. The next word that we're going to look for to see if we've got that word is table. Table. Has that got the ooh sound in it? Table. You tell me, has that got the sound in it? Table. If you think it has, then you write yes. If you think no, it hasn't, then you write no. Table. Has table. Okay, on your boards then. 3, 2, 1. What are we saying? No, that's absolutely right. That hasn't got the ooh sound in it, has it? No. Well done. Give yourself a point if you got that one right. Okay, your last word then for this particular sound is grew. I grew very tall over the summer. Grew. Grew. Has that got the ooh sound in it? If it's yes, then you write yes. If you think no, it hasn't, then no. What are you going to tell me? Grew. Has that got that sound on it? So yes or a no on your board? Brilliant stuff then. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold them up. What are we saying? Grew. Yes. Well done. Excellent stuff. You found it. Yep. That's got an ooh sound in it. Fantastic. Now we're going to have a little clear of our board or a piece of paper, whatever we've been working with, and move on to this particular sound. So this also makes the ooh sound, and the way we remember that one is ooh, huge brute. Now this particular one is called a split digraph.
We actually can't have sweets every day and we're all day.
Alex has just informed me that we can't have sweets every day, which is very true. We can't. Good to know. So we've got the ooh sound just there. So the first word we're going to write down, and I'll show you how to do it. You write it with me, okay? So we're going to write the word huge. Now this is a bit of a tricky spelling because the g in there makes a j sound. Hopefully that'll make sense in a second. So we're going to do a nice big for horse. Ha ha ha. That one. Then you're going to do an so umbrella. So a nice for me. So on your piece of paper you do a nice Then you've got a g. So we've got up around the girl's face, down and give her a curl. Now, what does that word currently say? What does that word say, Alex? Does it say huge yet?
Good. Sugar.
It says hug. So we need to do something to it to turn it into a split digraph. And the way we do that is by adding a magical E at the end. So we're going to add an sound. So we should have this word here. Now to show that that's a split digraph, what we do is we absolutely, can I use yours, Alex? Oh, fantastic. We've got this just here. So we join the and the with a nice little umbrella like that. Just join them together so we can show that we've made a split digraph. Now a digraph is 2 letters that go next to each other and they change the sound of the original letters. So rather than so if it wasn't a split digraph that would say hudger or hugger. But because we've got this just here linking it together, the split digraph changes that sound to huge. So it's gone from to ooh. Okay, so that's the word huge. Brilliant stuff if you've done that. I can see some really lovely examples, so well done. That's fantastic. Okay, so we're going to have a little go in just a second at writing another word, but I want you to see, first of all, if you can write this word for me. Okay, so our next word is rude. So it's got this oo in there, rude, rude. Let's have a go and see if we can have a try at making that, okay? So what's it going to start with? Let's think. If you're not quite sure, you could use my idea. Rude. And remember, we're looking for our split digraph. So our split digraph looks like that. And we're trying to make the word rude. 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 How are we going to do that? Rude. Okay, if you think you've got it, I can see some examples. Are we ready to hold them up then, guys? 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. Can I use yours, Alex? Brilliant. So we've got rude. So that's r, d, e. And that split digraph makes rude. That is so good, guys. Well done. That's really fantastic.
Sweets today.
So what we're going to look at now is another word, which is brute. Oh, now that's a little bit more tricky because there's a few more letters in there for us. So brute, we're going to have a go at writing that one. Think about how it sounds. Brute. So if you're not quite sure, you could use my ideas to help you. Okay, so if you're not quite sure how you might spell that one, think about that. That could be a little clue for you just there. So that could be an idea to help you. Brute. Remember, we're using this split digraph to make that word. Brute. Excellent. Sound it out if you need to. Excellent. And you can do your little hat, your little umbrella to join the two together. Okay, let's have a look then. 3, 2, 1. What have we got? Brute. Brilliant stuff. Brute. So you've got the and the just there. Brute. Brilliant, guys. Well done. Okay, we're going to do our yes/no game here. So clear off your board and get yourself ready. You're going to tell me, yes, it has got this split digraph, ooh, or no, it hasn't. Are we ready then? So our first word is apple. Apple. Has that got an ooh sound in it? Apple. Apple. So if you think, yes, that's got an ooh sound in it, then you give me a yes. If you think, no, it hasn't, then you give me a no. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Apple. Has that got an ooh sound in it, Alex? No, it hasn't. Brilliant stuff. Give yourself a point if you got that one right. So there's no ooh in apple. Excellent stuff. But what about this one? Listen carefully to it. Tune, as in tune. I listened to a tune on the radio. Tune. Has it got that ooh sound in it? Tune. If you think it has, you write yes. If you think it hasn't, then you write no. Tune. Okay, let's have a little look. 3, 2, 1. Hold up your board. Yeah, brilliant stuff. We have got that one. That's definitely got the ooh sound in it. Well done. Okay, here's another one. Has this word got an ooh sound in it? So our word, listen to the sound. Excuse. Oh, that's a big word. Excuse. Excuse. Has that got this sound in it? Excuse. Ooh, excuse. If you think it has, then you write down yes. If you think no, it hasn't, then you write down no. Okay, are we ready then? 3, 2, 1. What are we saying? Hold your board up. Excuse. Yeah, well done. It has got the ooh sound in it. That's fantastic, guys. Brilliant stuff. Right, this one's a little bit more tricky. We're going to see if we can work out if it's ooh, huge brute, or ooh, chew the stew. Okay, so we're going to try and work out if this word has got the ooh, chew the stew, or ooh, huge brute. Okay, if you're not quite sure, I'll give you an idea on my board, see if that will help you. So our first word is drew. Okay, so you need to tell me on your board, is it this spelling, drew, or is it this spelling, drew? Okay, so I'm going to give you an idea. If you're not quite sure, here's how many letters it's got. Drew. 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 If you're not quite sure, have a little look at my board, see if that helps you. Drew. Is it going to be this way of spelling it? Or is it going to be this way of spelling it? Drew. What do you think? So you write wa for oo, or split digraph. What are we saying then, guys? Ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1, off you go. Excellent stuff. We've got drew. So your word there, drew. Drew. Brilliant stuff. And that's such a good one. So I think you can have 2 points for that one because that was a really tricky one. Here's our next one. Okay, our next one is knew. As in, I knew that was the answer. I knew. Now it starts with a kicking k, which is a bit different. This is how many letters it's got. I knew the answer. So is it going to be ooh, or is it going to be ooh? I knew the answer. You tell me. Is it going to be ooh, or is it going to be ooh? You tell me. Okay, are we ready then? Let's hold up our boards in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What are we saying? That's it. Don't worry if you didn't guess it. That's absolutely fine. If you got it, that's brilliant. Now here's a way to remember it. If we've got a consonant sound, so for example, t, l, m, b, any of that sort of thing, then you've got a split digraph. Okay, let's have a go at this one, see if that helps. Okay, so our next word is flute, as in the instrument, a flute. So, flute.
And get it right, still have a point.
Yeah, you can have a little go at that if you're not quite sure, using my example on the board. So, flute, is that going to be or is it going to be Listen to the sound. Flute. 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 Is that going to be or is it going to be You tell me. 5 seconds. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. What are we saying? Yeah, good. Well done, guys. Flute. Well done, Alex. Flute. You've got that one just there. So we've got and just there. So we've got flute. You've done so well, guys. Okay, brilliant stuff.